Welcome to French Class 101, second part about the animals. In a few moments, different animals will appear on your screen. You will also see and hear the name of those animals in French. Repeat after me. Lapin, lapin. Hibou, hibou. Renard, renard. Panda, panda. Perroquet, perroquet. Moineau, moineau. Pélican, pélican. Calamar, calamar. Pieuvre, pieuvre. Now it's your turn to try. These same animals will now appear in a random order. Try to name them. Did you succeed? If not, don't hesitate to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Also, if you'd like to learn more about French or learn about other languages, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for joining us and see you next time.